Welcome to Cebu City in Cebu, and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoyed this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The pre-colonial history of Cebu City is deeply rooted in the rich tapestry of indigenous cultures and societies that thrive in the region long before the arrival of European colonizers. The earliest settlers were Austronesian-speaking groups who engaged in fishing, farming, and trade. Cebu was recognized as Cebu or Zubu, functioning as a vibrant trading hub frequented by merchants from China, Thailand, the East Indies, and the Arabian Kingdom. One of the most well-known pre-colonial entities in Cebu is the Rahanate of Cebu, a polity led by local rulers known as Rahas. The most famous of these rulers was Raha Humabon, who played a significant role in the early interactions with the Spanish explorers. In 1521, the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan reached Cebu, where King Humabon, the reigning monarch, extended a warm welcome. During this period, King Humabon, Queen Juana, and 400 attendants embraced Catholicism. Magellan marked this historic occasion by raising a cross and presenting the Santo Niño, an icon depicting the youthful Christ. Despite Magellan's defeat and demise at the hands of Lapu-Lapu, the leader of Mactan Island, Cebu witnessed the arrival of Legazpi and Urdaneta with the Spanish forces on April 28, 1565. They initiated settlement and established significant landmarks like the Santo Niño Church, the University of San Carlos, and Coron Street, signifying the inception of the first church, university, and street in the Philippines. For 6 years following Spanish colonization, Cebu served as the capital of the Philippines. After the Spanish-American War in 1898, during American governance, Cebu underwent infrastructural advancements and evolved into a prominent trading center. Throughout World War II, Cebu, notably Antoanga, functioned as a crucial Japanese army base and endured bombings that impacted areas like Babac. In 1946, the Philippines attained independence from America, and since then, Cebu has developed in parallel with Manila.